Of all the slides in your deck, there's one investors keep coming back to, the team slide. It accounts for 43% of total reading time and gets clicked in nearly half of all sessions. Why? Because once they're sold on the idea, they want to know who's going to make it happen. So, make sure your team slide tells a strong, clear story, not just a row of headshots and job titles. Now, contrast that with the About Us slide. It shows up in 93% of top decks, but investors spend just 2 seconds on it, and more than 40% of them skip it entirely. The reason is that most About Us slides are packed with generic mission statements or long bios that don't address what actually matters at this stage of the pitch. Investors want to know your team, but they want to see it in the right place and in the right way. And that's exactly what a well-done team slide delivers.